Hi, Matthew here from 39D. Today on Tech Tuesday, I thought to talk a little bit about how we produce some of our videos. Obviously, we're an IT support company, we're not a production company, but obviously some of the things that we do are worth sharing. So one of the key parts is around lighting. Unfortunately, we have quite a dark office that we have to produce our content in. So to overcome that, we've bought some sort of cheap studio lighting, not expensive off Amazon, but they give a real boost to give you that white looking face rather than a dark background. So as we come around, you can see here we've got two big white lights behind us. We've got a monitor in the middle. I use that to read sometimes when we're sort of doing teleprompt stuff. But the other one that will surprise quite a few of you is down here we have another light, and that one's behind us. Because we use a green screen to film a lot of our content, without the light below me, we tend to get a shadow. You can see a bit of the shadow here because I'm using the GoPro rather than our normal camera. But obviously that's how we make some of our videos. If you'd like any help or advice on making some of the videos, then feel free to reach out or comment below. Look forward to speaking to you soon.